Hello students, today we will do the next topic regarding the guarantee of profit. और इस क्वेश्चन में जो है पार्टनर्स जो हैं दे स्टार्ट द फर्म इन बिटवीन not they are not considering 12 year period of time, they are considering less period of time. So how will the partner will get guarantee from rest of the partner or any one of the partner? So this type of question today we will do. Before that you can subscribe my channel and like my video. So let's start the question. A, B and Z are entered into a partnership firm on 1st of October 2019 to share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. A personally guaranteed that Z's share of profit after charging interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum would not be less than rupees 4 lakh per annum. The capital contributed by A rupees 5 lakh, B rupees 4 lakh and Z rupees 2 lakh. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 6 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Here we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So in the question they form, it is a new form and started from 1st October 2019. Not from, it is not started from 1st April. Okay. And they are ending their accounts on 31st March 2020. These are the capital balances. A rupees 5 lakh, B rupees 4 lakh and Z rupees 2 lakh. And they have given ratio also 2:1. And partners will take interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. Z is getting guarantee after interest on capital, which is at the rate of 6% per annum, would be rupees 4 lakh per annum, and that guarantee is given by A. Only one partner is giving guarantee to another partner, not rest of the partners. Okay. So now we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Net profit is given rupees 6 lakh. And the interest on capital A, B, C is rupees 15,000, 12,000, 6,000. This is not the annually. We will consider this interest on capital by considering the date of beginning of the partnership firm, because partnership firm is started on 1st October 2019. So we will calculate the interest on capital from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. So this is the working note I have done. So first regarding the interest on capital, and time is this. The A's share will be 5 lakh 6% for 6 months, because time is of 6 months from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. So the share of A's interest on capital is rupees 15,000, and the same way we will calculate the interest on capital for B and Z. B share will be 12,000 and Z share will be 6,000. Now we will calculate. So in this way I have written 15,000, 12,000, 6,000 in the appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account, and total will be 33,000. Now we will calculate the profit. So 6 lakh minus 33,000 is equal to 5 lakh 67,000 is the profit. Now we will distribute this profit. So profit, Z share of deficiency, Z share we will calculate, and deficiency of A. So Z share is guaranteed amount from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020 will be 4 lakh multiplied by 6 upon 12. Why? Because 4 lakh is guarantee given for the 12 months period of time. But in this question, profit firm has started from 1st October, not from 1st April. So that is why the guaranteed of profit will be according to the number of months. So number of months are 6 months for that the firm is run. So the guaranteed amount will be calculated, which is annually rupees 4 lakh. We will calculate according to the time period, which is from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. That will be the halves. For 6 months we will calculate. The 6 month guaranteed profit will be 2 lakh. Okay. Now Z share of profit we will calculate it in the profit, that is 5 lakh 67,000. This his share is 2:2. His profit sharing ratio is 2:1. So Z share will be 1/5. So 1/5 of profit is equal to this 1,13,400, and this is the share in the profit. But he got guarantee, but he has to receive rupees 2 lakh as a guarantee in this year. So the rest of the amount which is less is given by A. So this is the deficiency which will be borne by A. So we will calculate in this way. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 34,400 is equal to 86,600 will be the deficiency which will be borne by A. Now we will calculate A's share and B share. So A's share is equal to 2,26,800. So, but we will deduct the deficiency less. Deficiency is 86,600, and the amount of profit would be 1,40,200. This will be the share of profit of A. Now, B's share will be 5,67,000 of 2/5 is equal to 2,26,800. This is B's share of profit. So all the profit we will write in the profit and loss application account. Here I have written the profit transfer to capital account. A's share. This is A share 2,26,800, and we have deducted 86,600 deficiency, and the net amount of A's capital will go 1,40,200. B share is this 2,26,800 that I have written here, and Z share will be 1,13,400 plus deficiency borne by A, that is 86,600. Total will be the 2 lakh which is guaranteed for the year 2020 for Z. Okay. So in this way the question is prepared. If you are having any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.